So what you're looking at there is some sort of computer thing. In fact, it's an HP Compaq thin client Hewlett Packard. So I don't know anything about computers. I don't know anything at all about computers or anything inside computers, but I'm willing to learn. So I'm going to start taking apart some of these things. So hopefully I can learn what and how they work. I've been getting interested in watching some videos on computer and computer repair. And I don't know, we get a lot of computers around here, and a lot of computers are recycled around here a lot. So I was just getting interested in what is inside of some of these. I don't think that's the way to take this off. I don't know how to take this cover off. But I don't know. Is there screws in there? I think there is. Okay. Let me find out if there's screws in these little holes here. I'm going to probably start making a series of me taking apart computers and computerized kind of stuff to put out, because I don't know, it's just interesting to me. It's always been interesting, even though I know nothing about computers and don't know how to fix them. Usually it's whatever. It breaks, I ask somebody else to do it. But maybe I can learn something, and hopefully you'll enjoy the video. Well, honestly, I didn't see anything in these little holes here, so I don't know how this comes off. But it's just going to go back in the recycling bin anyways for electronics, so I might as well do it the hard way. And oh, it's got little tabs on it, eh? And I have no idea how any of this comes apart. Let me see if I can get that lid off. So I did get both lids off. I learned there's little screws. Phillips head. Do I have a Phillips head here? A little one. Yes, I do. Let's not strip these out. No, I don't like the way that feels. We need better. Oh, I got that one. How many are in here? There's not many. There's this one. There's this one. Oh, God. Whew. These are little screws. They will strip quickly. And there's two on the bottom here. I just want to know what's in these. I think it's kind of neat. Okay, I got that one. It's funny. When you take out screws, you got to give lots of pressure. Without driving a screwdriver into your hand, I must tell you. That's always a bad thing. She came. Why do I always say she came? No, she didn't come. It loosened. And there we go. Ooh. I don't know anything about this thing. I don't know what it does. I don't know what it is. All I know is that's the inside of it. I'm guessing this is some, right here, some sort of a heater. Not a heater, a cool vaporization cooler or something. And is there a chip underneath here? Like there's no cooler on here like a airflow. So these things can't get too hot, I'm guessing. So I'm going to take this off. Let's see. I'm going to take this off here too and take a look. These sure are filthy inside. They must have been used for a long time where they were ever used or whoever used them. I don't know. I really don't know who used these. But these can all go back in the recycling pile after I'm done. Because I'm in no interest of this type. This is a Think Center something, so I'm guessing it, I don't know. I don't know what it did, but that's some sort of a chip. Let me see if I can feel. I thought I got that loose. Yes, I did. It's just being held on by. So there's that. The thermal grease is long past due. Been pretty dried up on here. I'm gonna have to scrape that and see what kind of a chip they have on there. So all that little chip says is Intel on it, and that it was made in China. And the other little chip too was made in China. This whole thing actually was made in China. So what is this one over here? I'm using rubbing alcohol on here to clean them off so I could see them. But yeah, there was nothing in here for drives or anything, or so I don't know if they were taken out. I don't think so, because it doesn't look like anybody's actually been in this since it was so hard to take apart. But the battery 2032. But I don't know what this would have been used for. If anybody can tell me what these type of things were used for, that would be grateful. Like I said, I'm just learning. And I don't mind pulling stuff apart just to look inside and see what's there. It's kind of fun to do that. And hopefully along the way I can learn more about these kind of things I'm pulling apart. And kind of hope I do. Well, that was obviously a heat sink, and this we all know was a heat sink. This one has a date on it, 2012. Okay, so it's either 11 years old or close to it. 11 or 12 years old, getting close to that. So there we go. It's probably a 2012 make, but I don't know what these would have been used for, and well, I got lots of things I can take apart, so a lot of computer stuff. So I'm going to start taking stuff apart, and we got lots of things to come for that. Since winter is going to be a long winter, I wouldn't mind pulling some of these things apart and checking out what is actually in these and how they work. So I hope you enjoyed this. Hey, actually, I think this is a ram stick. Is that a ram stick? I'm not sure. I just think it looks like a ram stick. Hewlett Packard. Let's see here. I'm not sure if it's a ram stick, but I'm not sure. Can anybody tell me if that's a ram stick? It does come out, by the way. I'm not sure if it is. I don't know anything. I'm a noob. Please be kind to me. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.